KC-46A Pegasus, the lifeline of America's air power. They say wars are won by strength, but the truth is deeper. Wars are won by endurance, by the ability to stay in the fight, longer than anyone else. And up there, where the sky stretches forever and the battle never waits, America relies on a silent champion, a giant with wings wide enough to carry a nation's strength, a guardian built not to destroy, but to keep the destroyers alive. That guardian is the KC-46A Pegasus, America's lifeline, America's flying heartbeat, America's promise that no pilot, no fighter jet, no mission is ever left alone. The Pegasus isn't loud. It doesn't roar like the F-22 or scream like the F-35. It moves with purpose, calm, steady, unshakable. Because its mission isn't to be seen. Its mission is to make sure America's power never lands. High above oceans, deserts, and war-torn skies, the KC-46A becomes a floating gas station, a hospital, a command center, and a guardian angel all at once. While others engage in the fight, Pegasus fuels the fight. It gives life to the jets that keep the world in balance. The KC-46A carries over 212,000 pounds of fuel, enough to keep entire squadrons alive. With its advanced refueling boom and hose and drogue systems, it can refuel fighter jets, bombers, transports, even other tankers. In the dead of night, through storms, through chaos, through silence, Pegasus never fails. Inside, its crew works with precision. The flight deck is built with the same technology that powers the Boeing 787 Dreamliner modern, digital, elegant. Its remote vision system lets operators refuel aircraft using 3D cameras, day or night through clouds, dust, or battle smoke. It's not just engineering. It's American engineering, bold, ambitious, unmatched. The KC-46A can carry troops, cargo, stretchers, medical supplies, and hope all at once. When disaster strikes, it becomes a lifeline. When war calls, it becomes a force multiplier. When America needs strength, Pegasus answers first. Because this aircraft isn't only built to support missions. It's built to support America's promise that no matter where danger rises, no matter how far freedom must travel, the United States will always arrive prepared, fueled, unstoppable. In a world where threats evolve and skies grow hostile, the KC-46A stands as a message. You can challenge America's aircraft, you can challenge America's technology, but you can never outlast America's endurance. The Pegasus may not fire missiles, it may not drop bombs, but it carries something far more powerful: the ability to keep every American aircraft in the sky. And in war, that is the difference between victory and defeat. So when you see a fighter jet scream across the sky, when you see an F-22, an F-35, a B-2, or a C-17 completing impossible missions, remember, somewhere behind them, silent and steady, the Pegasus is watching, fueling, protecting, enabling. The KC-46A Pegasus, not a weapon, but the power behind the weapons, not a fighter. But the reason fighters can fight, the silent giant, the flying lifeline, the endurance of America, and the aircraft that ensures the sky will always belong to the United States. If you want, I can also give